Well, good day and welcome back to Yabbo's Model Bench. Um, Unfortunately, I've had to put away with this one VW that I've been doing. Um, if you watched Aussie Models Live the other day, you would have noticed when I was trying to get the rust effect happening, the actual went white down to um, white plastic again. So what I tried to do was just take all the white plastic off. Sorry, not the white plastic, all the paint off. But what I've done is I've broken just in here and I've glued it. Just doesn't look the same. And there's also bits in here that I can't actually get into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this whole build again. So I have still got the this part, so the body of the VW, but I don't know, I might keep it, I might not, I just don't know yet. I'm quite happy with that, that actually looks really good, but I did enjoy doing it, so I'm going to go and buy another kit tomorrow from one of the local hobby shops and give that a go. So yeah, unfortunately these things happen. So what else has happened in my life this week? Well, I have done, you can just see it, just out, I'm trying to show you on the video, but just out there you can see I've just got an awning just put up from my backyard now. So I've got somewhere to sit under the cover. Probably rain tomorrow, so it'll be nice to sit out there and have a beer. I have mowed the lawn today, front and back, and I went to the doctor to see about my shoulder. That's my right shoulder. I have to get an MRI on it because he actually made me do sort of like move my arm that way, and he actually felt it click. He said, "Ooh, that's a bit odd." So I said, "Definitely something's wrong with my shoulder." He said, "Definitely something wrong with your shoulder." So I'm gonna go get that looked at. It's gonna cost me $400 to get an MRI done. Yeah, I earn decent coin, but $400, it's a lot of fucking money. That's almost rent for a week in my house. So hopefully it's not until next Wednesday, so I'll have the money to be able to do that next Wednesday. And I mean, I've got the money to do it now, but I do have plans this weekend which I have to cancel, one of them. But yeah, so I'll get that done, and hopefully Department of Veterans Affairs, the Muppets, hopefully they'll say, yep, we'll reimburse that, but I'm not holding my breath. So anyway, this is only a short one, just to let you know that I'll be starting the whole build again. So you'll be stuck with all of that, but we'll hopefully do a better job. So yeah, anyway, hope you're all good, and I'll talk to you all soon. You.